X-Square Robot, a pioneer in general-purpose embodied intelligence, today announced a partnership with leading household service platform 58.com to launch China's first home cleaning robot. The story begins in Shenzhen, where customers booking a routine house cleaning through the 58.com app are now greeted by a surprising duo: a professional human cleaner and a white, sleek, wheeled semi-humanoid robot known as the Quanta X2. The cleaner handles the messy, judgment-heavy parts of the job, while the robot takes on the repetitive work like wiping tables, picking up small debris, and tidying surfaces. X-Square Robot has achieved something few companies ever have: securing simultaneous backing from the three kings of the Chinese internet: ByteDance, Meituan, and Alibaba. This triple giant support has allowed them to build a proprietary foundation model called Wall A that is described as an end-to-end embodied foundation model built on multimodal pre-training for vision language understanding, language action alignment, and manipulation. X-Square Robot does not clearly disclose the exact processor or GPU. However, it is powered by a high-performance system-on-chip, capable of handling the massive neural network processing required for real-time spatial reasoning. The GPU architecture is optimized for end-to-end embodied AI, allowing the robot to predict physics and causal effects, such as knowing how a trash bag will fold or how a shoe will slide. Currently, this smart cleaning service is available as a pilot in Shenzhen for just 74 yuan, or roughly $10.7 for a 3-hour session.